Describe a way to change a DC motor into an AC motor by changing the commutator. So that means we've taken the power source and instead of connecting it to a battery or another source of DC power, we've instead connected it to an AC power source. Now, normally that will mean a DC motor won't work, but how can we change the commutator so that it will work? Well, we have to stop using the split ring commutator and start using slip rings. Replacing the split ring with slip rings will make the current through the coil alternate back and forth, right? And if that alternation matches the rotation rate of the coil, we'll just be able to keep it spinning, right? Of course, if it slows down a bit, we won't be able to keep this up. How about by changing the stator field? So you need a way to change the magnetic field across the magnet so that an AC power source will allow it to spin, even with a split ring commutator. And that, of course, is the job description of a universal motor. Replace the permanent magnets with electromagnets that use the same current as the current that goes into the coil. This means that if we reverse the direction of the magnetic field and we reverse the direction of the current in the coil at the same time, it will still be turning in the same direction, right? So if we simply replace the static stator field with a changing stator field, then we produce a universal motor which can use an AC power supply.